Good morning, dear ones. Today let's continue with our chapter multiplication. So hope you are thorough with the tables and completed the exercises that was mentioned in our previous classes. Today let's move on to the exercise part. So first we have a max lab activity. So you can also open your text, page number 60. So in this page you can see, help Gautam skip count in fives to reach the billing counter. Draw all the possible paths in the maze. So here what we have to do, we have to help Gautam. And how we have to help? We need to help him by skipping in fives. That is, we have to use the multiplication table of 5 here, and we need to help him to reach the billing counter that you can see below. So let's start. Here you can see 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. You have already learned the table. So let's check. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So this is one possible path. Similarly, there are other possible paths. So try to find it out. Next, let's move on to the revision station, page number 61. So the first, we have the word problems. So let's read out the question. The first question, there were 10 children in a class. Each child ate 3 candies. How many candies did the children eat altogether? So what we have to find out here, there were 10 children in a class. So how many children are there in a class? There are 10 children. And each child ate 3 candies. And what did the children do? They ate 3 candies each. Now what we have to find out? How many candies did the children eat altogether? So let's start writing the steps now. The first step, number of children in a class is equal to 10. The next step, number of candies each child ate is equal to 3. And we need to find out the total number of candies children ate altogether. So the number of candies that they ate altogether. So it is 10 into 3. So how much is 10 threes are? It is 30. So let's write 30 here. 10 into 3 is equal to 30. So we got the answer 30. The next question, Arun puts 6 marbles in a bowl. How many marbles are there in 4 such bowls? So what is the question here? Arun puts 6 marbles in a bowl. So in one bowl, Arun puts 6 marbles. And we have to find out how many marbles are there in 4 such bowls. So how many bowls are there? There are 4 bowls. So let's start writing the steps. We can write number of bowls is equal to 4. Number of marbles in each bowl is equal to 6. We need to find out the total number of marbles, that is 4 into 6. So 4 6 are, how much is 4 6 are? And you know it is 24. So let's write 24 here. So 4 6 are 24. Let's check the next question. Kriti made 5 pizzas. She cuts each pizza into 8 pieces. How many pieces of pizza were there in all? So here Kriti made 5 pizzas. How many pizzas did Kriti make? She made 5 pizzas. And what did she do? She cuts each pizza into 8 pieces. So one pizza she cut into 8 pieces. Similarly, all these 5 pizzas she cuts into 8 pieces. We have to find out the total number of pieces. So this you can do it as homework. So try to find out the steps and find out the answer. Next, here you can see fill in the blanks. The first one, it is 3 into 10. So 3 tens are, you know it is 30. So you can write 30 here. The next question is 4 into 5 and 4 5s are 20. Similarly, you can complete all these exercises, but be sure that you are thorough with the tables. The next one, here you have complete the sequence. So first sequence here you can see that 3 is given, 6 is given, and after that it's left blank. And afterwards you can see 15 is given. Now we have to complete this sequence. So how can we complete this sequence? Let's find out the numbers. Here you can see the number 3 is given and 6 is given. So which table is this referring to? It is the table of 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So we can write there 9. Now what will be the next number? 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. So what should we write here? The number 12. Next you can see the number 15 is given here. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. Now we have to find out the next number. 3 sixes are 18. Likewise, we completed this sequence. Now let's look at the next one. Here you can see the number 5 is given. The next is left blank, and afterwards you can see 15, 20 given, and the rest we need to fill it. So which table we need to apply here? It is the table of 5. So 5 ones are 5. So what will be the next number? 5 twos are 10. So write here 10. Now we can see 15 and 20 is given. So 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. So what will be the next number? 5 fives are 25. So write here 25. 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 35. So similarly, you can complete this exercise. Try to find out the tables and you can complete the sequence. Next we have complete the grid with multiplication tables of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 10. So you can see a table is given. We have to complete the table using the tables, using the multiplication tables of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 10. So let's start doing. Here you can see multiply by 1. And here you can see the number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 10 is given. So here we can write 1 into 2. So 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, 1 fours are 4, 1 fives are 5. You can complete that. So let's move on to the next table. Here we have to use the multiplication table of 2. So 2 into 2. So 2 twos are 4. That you can write here. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10 is already given. Likewise, you can complete these tables. Next, let's move on to worksheet page number 62. So look at the first question. Given below is a grid of multiplication sums. Use the grid to answer the questions that follow. So here you can see some multiplication sums are given, and after that you need to answer some questions. So the first question, let's check which two multiplication sums will result in the same product. That means we have to find out that two multiplication sums is having the same answer. So we have to find out which are the two multiplication sums. So here looking at this grid, you can find it out. Here you can see 2 into 4. So 2 fours are 8. Similarly here you can see 4 into 2. So how much is 4 into 2? 4 twos are 8. So these are the two multiplication sums that result in the same product. That is 2 into 4 and 4 into 2. Now let's check the second one. Write the repeated addition for the following multiplication sums. So we have already learned the repeated addition. The first question, it is 9 into 7. So here the number 7 repeats 9 times. So how can we write here? 7 plus 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 7. So you can see here the number 7 repeats 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that we can write it in the multiplication form as 9 into 7. Now let's move on to the second question. Here it is 5 into 5. That means 5 times 5. That is the number 5 is repeating 5 times. So try to find out the repeated addition for that. Next, how many multiplication sums have product greater than 20? So go find out the answers for all these multiplication sums and then you need to find out which all multiplication sums is having the product greater than 20. So which all multiplication sums is having the answer more than 20. So try to find it out. And the next one, which multiplication sum results in 0. So we learned the multiplication fact that if a number is multiplied by 0 or if 0 is multiplied by any number, we get the answer 0. So here you can see 1 into 0. So what is the answer 1 into 0? It is 0 itself. So which multiplication sum results in 0? It is 1 into 0. Next we have write the multiplication facts for each of the following. So here you can see one has been done for you. Here you can see there are 2 boxes, and in each box there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. So here are 5 dots, and in the second box you can see again 5 dots. So how can we write that in the multiplication form? There are 2 boxes and in each box there are 5. So 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Now let's start doing the next one. Here you can see 3 boxes, and in the first box you can see there are 3 dots. Second you can see there are 3 dots, and in the third you can see 3 dots. So the number 3 is repeating, and there are 3 boxes also. So how can we write? So it is 3 into 3, and 3 3s are 9. Similarly, check the next one. Here you can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes, and in each box there are 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. So it is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, or you can write in the multiplication form as 4 into 4. So 4 into 4, and 4 4s are 16. So write the answer here. Similarly, we can find out the rest of the exercises. And with this we finish our chapter multiplication. We'll be meeting with a new chapter. Thank you.